What is the internet? Mobile network, global ISP, home network, regional ISP, and institutional network. All are interconnected. So, what is the first observation? That millions of connected computing devices. Is it okay? How many computing devices? PC, then server, then wireless laptop, and then cellular. मतलब अब हम जो मोबाइल जो यूज कर रहे हैं. What is happening on this all apps? ये जो devices है, इस पे क्या हो रहा है? इट इज रनिंग सो मेनी नेटवर्क एप्लीकेशन जो है वो इस पे रन हो रहा है और दीज आर द डिवाइसेस विच आर होस्ट और एंड सिस्टम. मतलब जो हमें दिखता है, हमें क्या दिखता है? आई कैन सी ओके आई एम टेक्सटिंग यू मैसेजेस, join my lecture, you are texting me, okay ma'am you are not audible, but we are end systems. We don't know what is happening with our all our communication. मतलब जब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ओके आई एम ऑडिएबल, उसके बाद जो मेरा वॉइस है इट इज़ एनालॉग, वो मेरे माइक थ्रू लैपटॉप में जा रहा है, फिर लैपटॉप थ्रू आपके इंटरनेट में जा रहा है, देन इंटरनेट थ्रू आपके घर पे आ रहा है, देन फ्रॉम योर होम का जो नेटवर्क है, फ्रॉम दैट in your PC or mobile, whatever we are using is the end system, right? तो जब वो मेरा आवाज है वो हमारा क्या हो रहा है, आपके लैपटॉप में या आपके फोन में आ रहा है, फिर से आपके स्पीकर में आ रहा है, ओके, देन अगेन स्पीकर से वो एज इट इज, जैसे मेरा वॉइस टोन है, कम है ज्यादा है, एवरीथिंग एज इट इज आपको सुनाई दे रहा है. ये किससे हो रहा है? बिकॉज ऑफ अ नेटवर्क एप्स. नेटवर्क के जो एप्लीकेशंस है जो कि रन हो रहा है उसकी वजह से ये पॉसिबल हो रहा है. वट एवर प्रोसेस I described earlier, how my voice signal is going to travel from my mic to your speaker. For that travel, we want a communication link. How many communication links are available for internet? This is your access point, then wired links, then wireless, fiber, copper radio, satellite, and the main थिंग जो यहाँ ये पूरा होल सिस्टम जो कि इम्पैक्ट करेगा, दैट इज योर ट्रांसमिशन रेट. मीन्स इफ आई एम टॉकिंग विथ यू, इमेजिन माई वॉइस अगर आपको 1 घंटे के बाद सुनाई दिया, इज इट ओके? नो. सो मैं जब बोल रही हूँ, ऑफकोर्स देयर इज अ मिली सेकेंड डिले और नैनो सेकेंड डिले, वी कैन टॉलरेट दैट, वी कैन assume that the communication is a real time. But if you measure that delay, this is a nanosecond and millisecond. If you remember the ping, in that we seen that TTL is in nanosecond और आपका जो पैकेट को वापस आने को टाइम लग रहा है, it is in a millisecond. And this transmission rate is depend on the bandwidth of your communication link. Please note down that. What? Always remember that your transmission rate is dependent on bandwidth of your communication links. That's why fiber is giving us a maximum bandwidth, so maximum transmission rate. Okay, satellite, as satellite C, KU, Ka bands, तो जो maximum band है 30 GHz, now 5G के लिए 80 GHz, 100 GHz तक हम लोग जा रहे हैं. So what is happening? That we are increasing bandwidth, and if my bandwidth is increased, automatically what is going to increase? मेरा transmission rate increase होगा.
Did you know that fiber optics power the internet, 5G and high-speed networks worldwide? Welcome to Mastering Fiber Optics from Basics to Advanced Application. I am Bhagyashree Thorat, and with 15 years of experience, I will guide you through everything from optical fibers to multiplexing, power budget analysis and real-world problem solving. Ready to boost your career in fiber optics? Enroll now and start mastering the future of communication. Join now on Udemy. Learn, apply and master.
So now next is what? I want to forward the packets. Basically जो packets हमारे forward होते हैं वो कौन करता है? Routers. That's why these routers are very important, because whatever packets you are going to forward from your regional ISP to institutional network, regional ISP to home network, from regional ISP to global ISP, everything is going to decided by your routers. And router में दो तरीके होते हैं, forward packets transmission, chunks of a data, and again routers are using different transmission, मतलब forward में करना है क्या करना है, so वो भी हमें study करना है कि routers can कितने methods he can adapt for transmission of a packet or your data. Now this is very interesting PPT according to me, that internet appliances, this is very very important. Now if you are saying, if anyone is saying I am using IoT enable washing machine, I am using IoT enable toaster, so actually what you are using, you are in one word you are using internet appliances, or in your language cool internet appliances. So this is your IP picture frame, then web enabled toaster, weather forecaster, everything is you can add in that toaster if you want, because we are using IoT, we are using artificial intelligence. Web server, smallest web server. Please take a screenshot for this. If anyone asks you in an interview, world's smallest web server, so this is world's smallest web server. Okay, आपको इसका लिंक भी दिया है, आप इस पे सर्च कर सकते हो. ओके, internet phones. So what is the internet and what are the nuts and bolts? Means if you want to connect any system, so what we require nuts and bolts connecting anything. हमें स्क्रू चाहिए, राइट? तो वो क्या है? सो दिस इज योर मोबाइल नेटवर्क, ग्लोबल ISP, होम नेटवर्क, रीजनल, देन इंस्टीट्यूशनल, राइट? द फर्स्ट थिंग यू रिक्वायर is a protocols, means control sending receiving of messages. So what is the first thing that you require? It is a control for sending and receiving of messages. Means हमारा जो network है institute I2IT, so we have a protocol that if any faculty is send a message for you on a WhatsApp group, every student SC के ग्रुप पे डाला है, then SC student T के ग्रुप पे डाला है तो T student, B के ग्रुप पे डाला है तो B student, they are going to follow that message. So what is the protocol? Sending control messages. And also if any student says that ma'am I'm not available today, please मुझे बोल दो और excuse कर दो, next onwards I will attend your classes. So this is what, मुझे वो receive भी होना चाहिए, मतलब controlling both side, means sending and receiving. So what are the example for that? TCP/IP, HTTP, Skype, Ethernet. Now what is internet? Network of networks. This is very important that it is loosely hierarchical, मतलब इसमें ऐसा hierarchy follow करना चाहिए, but not necessary that every time you are going to follow that hierarchy. Then this is very important that internet is working on a two concept. First one is a public internet and second one is a private intranet, and both are working parallelly but both are having a different aspects. In a public internet, some things are we don't require any security or we don't care, means we require security but हम लोग उसका चिंता नहीं करते कि मेरा मतलब मुझे फ्री मिल रहा है, I'm happy. But opposite, private intranet, so they are paying a lots of money to secure their data, to secure their network. And third and very important thing is the standards, means who is going to control the standards for internet. First one is the RFC and second one is the IETF. So RFC is the request for comments and IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. Please note down that this can be your MCQ question, that what is internet standards? It is the RFC, request for comments, and IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. Then these are the nut bolts to connect. But what is service view? In a service view, what is important? That is communication infrastructure. And second thing, communication services provided to apps. Whatever apps you are going to design, what services you want to provide. So in infrastructure, it enables a distributed application, that is web, VoIP, email, games, e-commerce, file sharing. And in a communication services provided to apps, the first and very important thing is we want a reliable data delivery from source to destination. Simple example, I'm using WhatsApp. So first thing WhatsApp is giving that whatever data I'm going to transmit, I'm texting one message. So from source to destination, they are giving reliable data delivery. And the second, best effort data delivery. Best effort, why? Because if you remember, I started with a top to down approach, IPv4 or TCP/IP model. It is a best effort network, means वो आपको connection less है but it is giving a best effort, मतलब वो पूरा कोशिश करेगा that you are going to receive your data.
For more information of this topic, don't forget to subscribe my channel Pinnacle.